In this video, we will review how to assign, discharge, and set up the NicView cameras at the UMass Memorial NICU. Before you get started, take a moment to ensure that the necessary consent has been completed and placed in the patient's file. Assigning the camera. Click on the NicView icon on your computer desktop to access www.nicview.net. Enter your username and password to gain access to the site. Then select the camera that you wish to assign and click on the Edit button. You're now inside that camera's information. Type in the bed space number and click Save. Then, by clicking the Assign button, you'll generate a username and password that the families will use to access the website. In the box indicated, enter the parent's email address that you've obtained from the consent and hit Send. This will generate an email with the username and password directly to the family. Also be sure to print 2 copies so that they may have some on hand. Finally, click the Assign Camera button and you'll return to the home screen. You should have successfully completed assigning the camera. To discharge a camera when an infant is discharged from the unit or a family no longer wishes to have viewing sessions, you must first access and log into the NicView website as previously discussed. Select the camera that you wish to discharge and click on the Discharge button. Doing this will ensure that the username and password are now terminated from that camera. The camera is now ready to be assigned to the next family at that bedside, and a new username and password can be generated. First, check to ensure that your camera is plugged into the wall. Then, using the adjustable arm, position the camera so that it is 6 to 8 inches away from the patient. Be sure to avoid positioning the camera directly over the infant. Also avoid adjusting from the head of the camera, as it can cause damage to the system. Locate the green power button and ensure that the green switch is flipped to on. You should also check to see if the privacy button has been pushed. If the light at the front of the camera is red, it means the camera is not in use. To activate the camera, press the privacy button and a green light will appear. This means the camera is ready to stream live video. This button is also useful to pause live video if infant care is necessary. When this is done, the viewers are provided with an image stating, "The nurse is providing care." Now, return to the computer station to make sure that the subject appears in the viewing screen. To adjust the focus of the subject, utilize the arrows located just below the viewing image. When you are happy with the image in the screen, click the green Bring Online button located just below the image. You should now be ready to go live for viewing of your patient online. If you're still having problems, use the number located in the upper right-hand corner to access direct technical support from the people at NicView.